Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Holiday prep is here, and I'm here to show you how to make my grandmama's cornbread stuffing. It is so easy. Let's get started, okay? So the first thing I have in a bowl, I have a little bit of sugar, okay? Because you want to use sugar in the cornbread, but you don't want sweet cornbread. Do me a favor. Do not use Jiffy mix for the cornbread, okay? I got all-purpose flour that I'm adding into the sugar. You don't want this real sweet, so a little sugar is all you need, okay? I'm gonna add in some baking powder because you want it to rise, okay? Then I got a pinch of salt, all right? And then this is cornbread, so I have cornmeal that's gonna go right in here. So these are your dry ingredients, right? So the dry ingredients, you wanna mix together nice. Then we're gonna drop in here 2 eggs, there's one, and then here's the other. All right, in goes some half and half, or buttermilk, or whatever you have. Give that a stir. All right, and then let's throw in our melted butter. And look at how beautiful and glossy and smooth this cornbread batter is. This is what you're looking for, something that looks like this. All right, into the same skillet, let's put the cornbread mixture in there. This goes off into a hot oven. One thing I don't like is I don't like crunchy vegetables throughout the cornbread dressing. So we're gonna saute, we're gonna add oil to a pan, and I have onion, bell pepper, and celery that's gonna go in here. Let's season with some pepper and some salt. You know, layers of flavor from the beginning. If you flavor now, you ain't got the flavor later, all right? Give it a toss. All right, and we'll let these saute until they're nice and soft. So our vegetables have caramelized. Some have little brown bits. That's all fantastic flavor that we love. Let's keep going with the seasoning. So I have some herbs de Provence. Got a little bit of onion powder in here, a little pinch of garlic powder, a little pinch of dried fennel, which is great in this particular application. And then you could use sage, right? If you use the dried sage, use a little bit, or poultry seasoning, right? You keep it, it works, it's amazing. It has all kind of great flavor in here, and this is smelling real good, right? So what I wanna do is I wanna add in some chicken, and this is just a rotisserie chicken. If you were making your stock from scratch, you pull your chicken off, or your turkey, or whatever you have, but in this case, rotisserie works just fine. And then we'll give this a stir, just to get all those seasonings in that chicken incorporated really nicely. Looks like the holidays, right? I know. So we put the stock right in the pan and scrape up all the bits on the bottom of the pan. This is exactly what you want to see. Nice and sort of like muddy, but all those delicious flavors hanging out through there. And our cornbread is over here hanging out. Let's throw the whole thing together. So listen, this is very important that you have, I call it cream of whatever soup, right? It could be cream of chicken, which is what I'm using. It could be cream of mushroom. It could be cream of celery. You need a cream of something soup in here. This is one of your insurance policies that you're gonna have a nice, delicious, moist cornbread dressing. And look at all of that seasoning, right? This is what you wanna go for. You wanna go for all that flavor that's mixed up through there. Oh, God, that's gonna be so good. Right in here. All right, then we're gonna give this a good stir and a good mix. That's what you want to go for. See, it's like half cornbread, half chicken. I almost forgot one of the most important ingredients, butter. It's the holidays, right? I almost forgot. Did you see that? How I caught myself? Thank you, Spirit. And as the butter melts and caramelizes in the oven, oh my God, it's gonna add such great flavor to the dressing. Now we can pour this right into our pan. You know, all this needs now is just a hot oven to go right into. So let's put this in the oven. Look at that, would you? Oh, this is what the holidays is made of right here. This is what the holidays are made of. See, this is really what I think dressing should be. Moist and savory and like just all the flavor in the world. And don't forget, the key is that cream of whatever soup. For me, it was cream of chicken, but listen, whatever. Can you tell I'm excited? Because I am. Good cornbread dressing, my grandmama's recipe, is not that far away. You can certainly do it. It's very simple, as you saw, and the payoff is gonna be fantastic. The recipe, it'll be on the website, dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life, life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.